students, I am back with the video series of Planning in Sports, and this is the most important topic of this chapter, that is how to make fixtures of knockout and league. So we already covered how to make knockout fixture, the basic knockout fixture. Today I will tell you how to make knockout fixture in quarters. So quarters fixtures are made when the number of teams are more. So it will help you in the conduction of tournament easily. And here today I will make a quarter fixture of 19 teams. Okay, so n is equal to 19, and if you will find the number of byes here, then that is 32 minus 19, which is 32, 12 minus 3, that is 13. 13 byes need to be allotted. Okay, so before allotment of byes, you should know how many number of teams should be in each quarter. So for that, there is a simple formula, that means that is n divided by 4. First step for finding the number of teams in each quarter, you have to divide the number of teams by 4. So here is 19 and here is 4. If you will divide this, 4 4 the 16, remainder is 3. Quotient is 4. That means Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. That means this Q represents quarters. That this quotient 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Remainder is 3. So there is 3 cases, students. There is a chance of only 3 cases. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. In the case 1, when remainder is 1, in case 2 remainder is 2, and in case 3 when the remainder is 3. Here we have the case number 3. I will explain all the cases first, that if the case number 1, in case of remainder 1, you will add one extra number of teams other than the quotient in the quarter. So if the remainder is 1, 4, 4, 4 in each half, each quarter, sorry, not in half, each quarter, plus one extra team in quarter number 1. So this will happen in the case number 1 when the remainder is 1. In remainder 2, if the remainder is 2, then in that case quarter 1 and quarter 3 will have one extra number of teams. Okay, so here we have case number 3, that means we have remainder 3, and in that case each quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3, these 3 have one extra number of team in the quarter. Okay, so according to this, first thing you need to do, you have to divide. Then 4 plus 1 5 from 5. Then this 4 plus 1 5 quarter 2. Then 4 plus 5 quarter 3. So here you divided this fixture in quarter. So here is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Is it fine? This much is clear to you? Now we have to allot the number of byes, that is total byes is 13. Now this formula is useful. First thing, you have to find the total number of byes in upper half and total number of byes in lower half. So formula is for upper half. Upper half formula is NB minus 1 divided by 2. NB, that means 13 minus 1 divided by 2 is 6. 6, is it fine? For lower half, NB plus 1 divided by 2. That is 13 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 7. Okay. So in upper half we have to allot 6 buys, and in lower half we have to allot 7 buys. Now, how to allot buys? There is a slight change in this. Before, you can allot the buys at overall stage, but here in the quarters you have to take first 2 quarters as a separate fixture at the time of allotment of buys, and these last 2, that means lower half at the time of allotment of buys you have to take as a separate fixture. So first thing, we have to allot 6 buys in upper half. So I am hiding this so that you come to understand at the time of allotment you just need to look at the upper half. So by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, and by 5, by 6. We allotted this 6 buys in the upper half. Now 7 buys in lower half. So by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you allotted this thing. Now round 1. Conduct the round 1. Conducted. Now round 2. Conduct the round 2. This is round 2. Now round 3. This is round 3. Round 4. And round 5, which can be said as quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals. Okay. So this is the procedure of making a knockout fixture in quarters. All the steps which are used in making simple or basic knockout fixture is used here also. You have to solve, you have to find all the things before making it, and then you have to divide the fixture in quarters like I told you, and allot the buys, and your fixture is ready. So hope you all like this video. Please subscribe my channel, share, and comment if you face any doubt. Okay students, till then, bye bye, take care, stay at home, be safe, keep studying. Thanks for watching.